Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by chilling everything: the cream, the metal bowl, and the whisk. This keeps fat solid so air traps better. Measure 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Put the chilled bowl and whisk in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, open and taste the cream so you know the base flavor. Once done, pour the cold cream into the chilled bowl and position your whisk or mixer at low speed to begin incorporating air. You begin whipping at low speed to create stable bubbles, then increase to medium as the cream thickens and volume rises. Make sure to add sugar gradually, a little at a time, so it dissolves and doesn't deflate the foam. Reserve vanilla until you're close to soft peaks, then add it and continue whipping. Once soft peaks form, when peaks hold briefly then gently fold over, you have a smooth, pillowy texture. Stop whipping often to check, because over-whipping turns it grainy. You finish by watching for medium stiff peaks. Lift the whisk and the peaks should stand tall with a slight bend at the tip. Immediately stop whipping to prevent butter formation. If you overwhip and it turns grainy, rescue it by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold cream and whisking gently until smooth again. Make sure to serve right away for best texture, or store in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. If it weeps a little, gently fold before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.